Well, we're back again and we're going to talk about Peet's coffee. We got Cafe Domingo and we're going to see what I think. Are you looking for a new challenge? Get on that book talk trend. We've got some book talk journals. You can find all these great options on TikTok and find the books that you want to check out, and you can keep track of all your favorite authors. So make sure you get on this trend and follow us on TikTok. See you there. Locallovenows, how are you today? And for those of you who haven't seen my new hair dye, make sure you check out that video when it comes out, showing you how I just redid the pink because all the pink had faded out from the previous hair that I did. And if you didn't see that one where I get the purples and the blues, make sure you check that one out as well. It is already out. All right, that crazy hair time though, but that's not why we're here today. Today, our friends at Influencer, yes, they have sent me another box. Now, mind you, I'm not sponsored. They do send me these, but I'm allowed to give my honest opinion, and I will. So today, Peet's coffee, yes. Now, me personally, I am a pod girl. I love me some Keurig pods, you know, that's what I use. This is what we're looking at today. This is Cafe Domingo, and it is a medium roast. Tasting notes, smooth toffee and toasted nuts. Now, I've had some Peet's coffees in the past. I think they were flavored ones perhaps, but really, really nice. The K-cups that they use are absolutely lovely. Here's what a K-cup is for any of you that have never had a Keurig or don't know what a K-cup is, or pod, whichever way you want to talk it. I've always called it a K-cup. They call it a K-cup pod. Either way, it's coffee up in there. And you put it in the machine, you know, it does its thing. Very nice. These are recyclable. So if you rinse them out after you use them, you can put them in your recycling. So I think that's a really nice thing. You know, I think that's awesome. And they did give me 10 K-pods to try out. They're all the same flavor. They're all that Cafe Domingo. So, as you may have noticed, I've already made myself a cup of coffee. And tried not to spill it everywhere, but you know, what are we gonna do? All right. Now the moment of truth. It is very rich. I'm not much for medium to dark. I'm a light girl. I like me some light roast. I'm not big on having like too dark of a roast, although with our creamer and my sweetener, it's pretty good. I will definitely drink these for sure. Now, if you like a nice medium roast to a darker roast, this is almost on the border of being almost dark. At least my opinion. It's good though. I can taste that toffee toasted nut thing going on in there. It is very rich. I like it. Now, mind you, I do put in a flavored creamer, so I mean, that probably changes it a little bit, but I can still taste it. I didn't put much in today because I wanted to have a better taste of the actual coffee. So very cool. Peet's is always welcome at my house. Love Peet's. I've definitely had them before. I can't remember the exact ones I've had. I think they came in a sample pack perhaps, and that's how I got to know Peet's, but I'm pretty sure I've also bought some Peet's as well. But yeah, so far so good. I can't find anything that I don't like about it. I'll definitely be drinking it. We have a ritual here at my house, and you've probably seen me take some videos with the cats and stuff like that when I've been out here. In the mornings when I'm off from my normal day job, I'll come out here with my mother, who is at a doctor's appointment today. But I'll come out here with my mom, and we'll come out here and feed our kitty cats. We have a feral cat community. And yeah, we'll sit here and drink our coffee and pet our kitties and just make a wonderful morning of it. So yeah, absolutely. Now, have you ever tried Peet's? Drop me a comment. Let me know if you like this brand. I'm sure they'd be interested to know what your opinion of them is. And again, this one is Cafe Domingo. Very, very cool. I actually like it a lot. And I'm going to show you some of their other stuff. They were opened their first coffee shop. It is named after Alfred Peet. He opened his first coffee shop in Berkeley, California in 1966. So yeah, you might notice my nails are a little pink. My apologies, it's the dye. I was sitting here and I was so incorporated in talking to you guys about what I was doing with my hair that even though I had gloves in my pocket, I still, for whatever reason, decided that I was going to, go ahead and just go, and here's what it looks like, and go, oh, it's already in my hand, I might as well, you know. Let me tell you, my whole hand was pink. Everything was crazy. So I'm gonna have pink nails for days. I may even still have a little pink ear going on. But you know what? We survived. We did good. We deserve this cup of coffee. That beauty coming up in the background, that's big tomboy, Tommy. And I got a mommy kitty coming to see me too. She likes the smell of coffee, don't you, Miss Mama? I have to reach down and pet her because it's the rules when we're out here drinking our coffee. We come out here to commune with our little animals. Not just our animals, we have birds. There's birds out here that we just love, and we have a mockingbird that likes to come and sit on one of our empty chairs and just chill with us. Don't know where that came from, but they sit here and they just kind of look at us and tip their head and like, hi guys, I'm part of the crew, you know. It is adorable, and if I could have gotten it on video by now, I would have. Seems to always happen when I'm not set up to record anything and don't have my camera out or forget it inside. Story of my life, right? But it is what it is. One day, maybe, I'll get them. But yeah, we get blue jays out here as well. We get to watch the mockingbirds. The mockingbirds are amazing. They literally beat the ever-loving out of this crow every morning. Now, in fairness to this mockingbird, I mean, we all know they're very territorial, but in great fairness to them, let me tell you, the crow has it coming, because we watched one day as the crow came across here and had an egg in its mouth. It literally stole their egg, and then about halfway across, it dropped it. I mean, we were so upset, and I'm sure they were as well, so you can imagine. So what do you do when you're enjoying your coffee in the mornings? Personally, I could drink my coffee all day. And this, I think, you know, I would like this personally myself. I would like this better as an iced coffee. So I might try that later. It is very, very good. Very rich. It's kind of growing on me. Even though I'm more of a light roast girl. It's kind of growing on me, even though I'm more of a light roast girl. So I definitely think I would enjoy this one iced better, but you never know. I could also just add more of our coffee creamer in there. I kind of went light on it because I wanted to really taste it. But I'm not somebody who's going to sit out here and drink my coffee black. It's just not my thing. I would have not liked it. It's not something that I enjoy at all. I know some of you guys love black coffee. And can I drink it? Yes. Do I enjoy it? Not usually, no. It's got to be some real special stuff. Not that this isn't special, it's just it would probably have to be something like super flavored, and this one's just an actual, you know, there's no real flavoring other than the notes that you get from the actual coffee itself in this. And yeah, so right here in the US, I might add, guys, so pretty awesome. The coffee you can buy can impact the welfare of the people and planet. Peet's is actively engaged in driving positive impact in communities where our coffees are grown. That's pretty dang good. I like that. So they're on my good list right now. I actually like that a lot. And they do have a variety of signature blend coffees. And let me just take a look here. And you know, it says it's the smoothest. You know what? It really is very smooth. So yes, they do send me products, but I am allowed to give my entire honest opinion about them. So absolutely love that I get to sit out here and enjoy new things that they send me. Thank you, Influencer, and very much thank you, Peet's Coffee. I appreciate you guys always. I'm always grateful for anything you guys send me because I enjoy life and I enjoy letting people know what's good out there and what's not. You guys know, you know I have a whole series called What I Think. I have those opinions and stuffs. So yeah, I think this one's a real win, and if you're a coffee person, you should give them a try and check out their Cafe Domingo or any of their other flavors. Now, I don't know if you can hear it in the background right now. I have some boat-tailed grackles, and they're doing their morning routine. If I thought I could get, they're gonna fly away if I try to record it probably. Let me see if I can trick this thing into, it's gonna circle, so sorry. But maybe you'll see, oh, I think they've all flown away now, of course they did. But they like to circle. Alright guys, well anyway, the cat food bowls are right over here, and every morning we get an influx of boat-tailed grackles, and you can tell them because they have like a little, like say here's the bird body and their little tail will do this, and it'll have like a little, kind of a little V in their tail, and it sticks up. I've got one that's literally like 10 feet away from me. Hi, how are you? Good morning. His tail's all messed up. I don't know what he did to it. I think he broke some, oh, he broke some feathers. You okay, buddy? You hear them? They enjoy our coffee time too. So drop me a comment. Let me know not only what kind of coffee you enjoy, or if you've ever tried Peet's. Let me know what you do when you're drinking your coffee. Are you outside and enjoying nature? Do you have a ritual that you do in the mornings? Unfortunately, I can't do this every morning. It's only on the days when I'm off from my normal job. But yeah, loves it. This is pretty good. I'm enjoying this. Normally, it's better to sit out here with my mom and we, you know, have conversations, crack each other up, do some jokes. I make some TikToks, things like that. That reminds me, guys, follow me over on TikTok if you need a chuckle. I got some silliness over there. I just did a couple new ones with Jeff just yesterday, so make sure you check them out. My honey loves to do voices, and I've been trying to tell him that TikTok is the format he should be doing this on. Get out there, test your voices in a quick, short video, and I'm hoping I finally encouraged him. He is in one of my videos. He's pretending to be Jigsaw. I love it. I love it. I'm a big Saw fan. I love horror movies, and so yeah, he did that for me. He's got one of the filters on where he's Billy, you know, from Jigsaw, and he's like, he does the, Amanda, I should play it. I have a clip of him going, Amanda, want to play a game? And he does it like spot on. Obviously, I can't do it, but he sounds like legit. We love to have a good time around here. Stick around to look more local love. We do local stuff. We do unboxings. Obviously, we do reviews. We do makeup. We do a little bit of everything, but it's because there's so many different things out there in the world. Sometimes we even have a little art time when we get a chance. So yeah. Check it out. Make sure you check out my latest crazy hair time if you haven't seen it. And I'll be releasing a new one here shortly as well. And other than that, guys, peace. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for sitting with me and having some coffee.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.